And asking question to a customer or a doctor who is more knowledgeable to you, who is more authentic to you, who is having more practical scenario is the most scariest thing. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, 100%.
And ये मतलब वो हुआ कि शेर के मुंह में हाथ डाल रहा है, ठीक है? But I am now teaching you and telling you and making you experiencing this thing. If you talk on certain parameters, certain things, it's easy to put your hands. Even you go into the mouth of the customer, nothing will happen, and they will enjoy even doing conversation with you. They will enjoy having conversation with you, right? Okay. So there are three parameters. Number one is called OTF framework. Number one is called ask question based upon the opinion of the customer. Sir, as per your opinion. As per your opinion. But before you use all these three framework, let me share with you. Always use certain sentences. Sir, today I am here to learn from you. Today I am here to learn from you. Sir, just for my learning, can I ask you a question? Always take permission. Sir, for my learning, every time, sir, whenever I am coming to you, I am learning some or other thing from you, sir. Sir, just for my learning, sir, can I ask you? And your facial expression, your body language should be really humble. Should be really humble. It should not be very authentic or like that. No. So with the humble gesture and posture and the facial expression, you can ask, sir, today I am here to learn something from you. Can I ask you a question, sir? Take permission. He will always say, okay, yes, yes. Rarely you will say somebody will say no. Rarely, right? Because you wanted to learn something from them. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding? Yes. And then you will ask a question, sir, as per your opinion. As per your opinion, sir, whatever number of patients you see, nowadays, sir, how many patients are actually hypertensive? How many patients are actually hypertensive? Total overall population of the patients. So he may tell that nowadays, it's increasing. Pehle itne nahi aate the, now it is number is increased. Whatever doctor wanted to share, let him share. Remember here, after asking the question, the most important thing you should do whenever customer started speaking, good, bad, ugly, doesn't matter. Always shut your mouth. Put your eyes towards your customer. Eye contact doesn't mean sexually looking into the eye. Eye contact means you are looking at the forehead of the customer. If the doctor is lady doctor, she may feel offended. If you put your eyes into the eyes of a doctor. Right? Look at the forehead and always shut your mouth whenever your customer is speaking something. Good, bad, ugly, doesn't matter. What you will do? Repeat after me. Keep quiet, looking at the customer and repeat after me. मेरे साथ सब लोग repeat करेंगे. Repeat. Oh. Really? Thank you so much. Very good, sir. Appreciate your customer for sharing anything. Right? He may say something, what is the company you have? Some person was there earlier before you, he made a lot of commitment, he did not do anything. And always acknowledge, sir, thank you for sharing your thoughts. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts. अगर उसने नेगेटिव ही बोला है तो उसके लिए भी थैंक यू करना है. If he says something wrong because कुछ गलत हुआ होगा, वो भर के बैठा हुआ है. At least पहली बार बोला तो सही है कम से कम. Rather than keeping mouth shut and एक साल निकल गया उसमें. Are you understanding? Always remember here, this is the art of doing dialogue with the customer, which I am sharing with you. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the first criteria, ask question based upon customer's thoughts. What do you think about this? And before that, you have already made a background, sir, for my learning. Any question into this? No question? If any question is there, please ask question. If there is no question, we will move ahead. Any question? Question. No question? Yes, please.
ये जो क्वेश्चंस माइंड में आएंगे वो डिटेलिंग से पहले करना चाहिए कि आफ्टर द डिटेलिंग?
देखो यार, absolutely right. Good, thanks for asking question. क्या input, right? So to change the input, you need to do something. इसीलिए बोलते हैं ना, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ नहीं खोना पड़ता, कुछ करना पड़ता है. खोना होना नहीं है, कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ करना पड़ता है। क्या करना पड़ता है? ये छोटे छोटे काम करने पड़ते हैं जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, सिखा रहा हूँ, समझा रहा हूँ। करेंगे है ना? तो अगर करेंगे तो चेंज होगा, नहीं करेंगे तो फिर जैसे थे। एनसीसी में सिखाते हैं ना, जैसे कितने लोगों ने एनसीसी करी है, वो सिखाते हैं जैसे थे, है ना? तो जैसे थे वैसे हो जाओगे यार। डू समथिंग डिफरेंट, ठीक है? राइट, ओके। उससे हमारे जो प्रोफेशन है हमारा ना, फार्मास्यूटिकल प्रोफेशन, सैनिक का बहुत रिस्पेक्टफुल प्रोफेशन था ये, अब बहुत कम बचा है। इसकी जिम्मेदारी हमारे कंधों के ऊपर है। मेरे को बहुत दुख होता, तकलीफ होती है जब लोग फील्ड में मैं देखता हूँ यहाँ बटन वहाँ बटन लगा के डॉक्टर को मिलने जाते हैं। मैं बुला लेता हूँ, मैंने लोग पीपल टेल मी ऐसे नहीं तो अपनी कंपनी का, कंपनी अपनी की एक तरह हमारे प्रोफेशन का सवाल है। हाउ कैन आई अलाउ अ पर्सन टू मीट अ डॉक्टर लाइक दिस? बाल अजीब से हो रहे हैं, हाथ में काला ग्रीस लगा हुआ है, बाइक से पता नहीं टायर सुधर के आया, क्या करके आया, वो डॉक्टर को मिलने लग गया, यार वॉश योर हैंड्स। तो बोलता सर आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम योर, बोले सो व्हाट, इट्स माय प्रोफेशन यार, ये हमारा प्रोफेशन है फार्मास्यूटिकल सेलिंग, हमारी रिस्पेक्ट रेपुटेशन का सवाल है। छोटा मत देखो कि ये मेरी कंपनी का है या नहीं है, हमारा प्रोफेशन है यार। आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? यस और नो? करेक्ट। डिफिकल्ट part of the session is after you had full of lunch, isn't it? And the challenge for a facilitator or a trainer is to keep people awake. Right? So there are lots of tools and techniques to make you feel energetic, engaged, involved, include in the session. Right? So, hope till now the journey has been good. So let me tell you a story. How many of you are from Mumbai? Mumbai. Huh? 5. Okay. And those are not from Mumbai, but I think they can understand this very well. Right? So in Mumbai, it is considered to be the lifeline. What are the lifeline for Mumbai? Local train and buses. Right? So there was a bus who used to run from Thane to Borivali. Thane to? And Borivali to? Thane. Right? And as we know, as usual in the bus, 2 people are there. One is driver, another one is conductor. So one fine day, bus started from Dadar to Borivali. What I said? Thane to Borivali. Okay. Thane to Borivali. From the back seat, conductor started distributing tickets. And he started distributing tickets. And he started saying ticket and ticket. But that day in the morning, very special day, he found in the front seat there was a bodybuilder, macho man was sitting there on the front seat. And this conductor used to be very lean and thin, short-heighted guy. Yeah. He looked at that person and he asked ticket. And this person who was sitting on the front seat, very macho man personality and muscular body, He looked at the conductor from bottom to top, like this. And he put his eyes in the eyes of the weak conductor and he said, Pathan kabhi ticket nahi kharidta. Pathan never buys a ticket. Then this poor fellow, scared of that hefty body of the Pathan, and he withdrew himself. He said, okay, leave it. It's only the matter of day one only. Right? Leave it. Day two, bus started from Thane to Borivali. Again he was distributing ticket and ticket. He came to front seat. He again saw that person was sitting there. And he was just thinking, who will break our head with this hefty person? He did not ask even for the ticket. He said, one more day, leave him here. Who will break early in the morning in the fighting, chatting and all? Day 3, bus started from Thane to, and conductor started distributing from the back seat. Ticket and ticket. Day 3 also, there was conductor, this person was sitting in the front seat. Again conductor looked at him and he was having something. He said, okay, leave him here. But this conductor was getting uncomfortable day by day. He was unable to sleep properly in the night. His wife was also looking at him. She asked, what happened to you? He said, nothing. But he was unable to sleep properly. Right? He was turning sometimes this side, that side. The level of threshold crossed in the mind of the conductor. And he took a very big decision for his life. He took a decision. He joined a gym. And started having a lot of protein diet and everything. And by the time the bus started from Thane to Borivali, conductor started distributing ticket and ticket. He was every day seeing this macho man sitting on the front seat. Over a period of time, after 6 months, every day he was, after doing, this gymming, he was observing his body, biceps, triceps and everything. After 6 months, after consumption of lot of proteinaceous diet, right, he felt that he has become something. And the day has come in the life, he said, today I will take revenge. I will take revenge. Final, he said that today I will not leave him. He started distributing from Thane to Borivali. Ticket and the moment he came on the front seat, that Pathan was sitting there. He asked Pathan, putting his eyes in the eyes of the Pathan, ticket. How he asked? And he was rolling his sleeves, right? And he asked, ticket. Pathan again looked at him in the same style, like day one, from bottom to top. And he said, with the angry eyes, Pathan kabhi ticket nahi kharidta. Pathan never buys a ticket. Then he became very angry. He said, I want the Pathan ticket कैसे नहीं खरीदता? क्यों नहीं खरीदता? Then he said, क्योंकि पठान के पास बस का पास है, इसलिए पठान टिकट नहीं खरीदता. Then this guy was scratching his head. What nonsense decision I took from last 6 months. Right? This story reminds me about one of the doctor, very famous pediatrician of my town, and people were keep on telling me, don't meet this doctor, he is only writing based upon give and take. I was also thinking the same thing for the doctor. I did not meet him for the 6 months. My national sales manager came one day. He said, Pankaj, there was a pediatrician called Dr. So-and-so. Are you meeting him? I said, no sir, I am not meeting him because he is completely commercial doctor and we do not do anything. Our policy do not suggest anything. Then he said, okay, let's have a conversation with him. He took me to the doctor and doctor was very happy to see my, someone from the corporate office. And they were discussing so many things. And he said, there was nobody came from last 6 months to meet me. I used to write so many brands earlier. Then he said, no problem, but he will definitely going to come to you. And after that, again the brand started prescribing. I was just wondering, really I was believing on other people's opinion. right? And not meeting this doctor. So that day I took this, as a learning. I will never decide anything till the time I will not observe things happening. How many times we make an opinion about the customer? And that's the most easiest thing and the convenient thing. We make opinions about the people and judgment about the people. ये तो ऐसा ही है, ये तो ऐसा ही करेगा, ये डॉक्टर तो बिल्कुल नहीं लिखेगा, ये तो इसी तरह. When you go with the preconceived mindset, are you understanding? So it will not going to change your anything. My just only thing which I really wanted to share with all of you, never have something which is preconceived in your mind till the time you do not experience this. And before you delete any doctor from the doctor list, at least have the conversation with the doctor. ध्यान है आपको? अब वो उसने तो कोई आपकी ऐसी ट्रेनिंग नहीं अटेंड करी यहाँ पर, उसने तो कोई एसी रूम में बढ़िया ऐसे रिसोर्ट में ऐसे ट्रेनर को बुला करके टाई वाई वाले लोगों कुछ नहीं किया ना. आप उसकी टाइमिंग देखिए, आप उसकी पिच देखिए, आप उसकी डिटेलिंग देखिए. वो किताब लेके चढ़ता है, उसको ये पता होता है कि ड्राइवर कितनी देर रुकेगा, कितनी देर में वो बैठ करके चालू होगा, उतनी देर में वो समेट के अपना वसूली करके बेच के सब नीचे दूसरी बस में चला जाता है. हैव यू सीन दिस? बस में चढ़ता है, वो ऊपर से आता है सब किताब लेकर के हाथ में. साहिबान मेहरबान कदरदान ध्यान दीजिएगा, साहिबान मेहरबान कदरदान, बच्चे को रात को दस्त हो जाते हैं, बच्चे को रात को उल्टी हो जाती है, बच्चा मम्मी को परेशान करता है, दादा को जगाता है, दादी को जगाता है, सबको परेशान करता है. उसी बीच में बोल देता है आ रहा हूँ भाई साहब. इसने नहीं बुलाया उसको, क्या बोलता है? आ रहा हूँ भाई साहब, है ना. कंपनी में देखने के पैसे नहीं साहब. उसके बाद में कंपनी ने इसके साथ में दिया सोने का लॉकेट, सोने से कम नहीं, घूम जाए तो कम नहीं, आ रहा हूँ भाई साहब. और उसी बीच में कलेक्शन करके अपना सबमिट करके वो दूसरी बस में. आप सोचो यार, सीखने को कितना कुछ है जीवन में. किस से आप सीख सकते हो यार? आपके पास में अपॉर्चुनिटी है लर्निंग की, आपके पास में लोग हैं जो आपको सिखा सकते हैं, आपके पास में एक मैनेजर है जो आपके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है आपकी लर्निंग के लिए, आपकी चीजों को सिस्टमेटिक करने के लिए, ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? तो वो माइंडसेट से जब आप जाओगे, सीखने के माइंडसेट से जाओगे, जब आप डिस्कशन में जाओगे, मीनिंगफुल डिस्कशन में विच योर कस्टमर रियली वांटेड टू डू विद यू, देन ओनली यू विल एंजॉय द लाइफ. अदरवाइज ऊपर से आया मैनेजर, उसने मारा गाल में थप्पड़, नीचे फील्ड में गए वो 4-5 जो लोग बैठे हुए, उन्होंने भी वहां से काम किया नहीं किया, उन्होंने भी मारा, नहीं हुआ ना लाइफ. आपको लगे क्या जिंदगी है यार, क्या? You will become frustrated, isn't it? So develop certain habits which will help you to grow and develop in your career. है ना? तो एक खुशी कब मिलती है आपको? तब भी